Recharge your Spice Money wallet and enable your customers to enjoy the benefit of countless services from Spice Money and at the same time increase your monthly income too. Here's how you can recharge your Spice Money wallet and provide various financial services to the customers visiting your shop. A Spice Money Adhikari can recharge his Spice Money wallet and ensure that his customers can take advantage of numerous services from his shop like Aadhaar-enabled payment system for cash withdrawal, money transfer, tours and travel services, cash collection, mini ATM, bill payments and facilities like mobile recharge, PAN card, insurance, loan, etc. Spice Money wallet recharge can be done in two ways, instantly or manually. Let us see how to manually recharge Spice Money wallet. Log in to your Spice Money B2B portal. Click on Account. Click on Manual Wallet Upload. The first way to do a manual wallet recharge is to load the wallet using a virtual account. In this option, log into your net banking to make the virtual account shown here as a beneficiary and send the amount in NEFT, RTGS, IMPS mode. Remember, by loading the wallet via virtual account using your net banking, you won't need to enter the details nor upload any receipts as shown on the screen. The option of wallet load from the virtual account is available in the highlighted account. In manual wallet load, you can also recharge your wallet in NEFT, IMPS, RTGS, check or cash mode using any of the banks from the list shown on Spice Money B2B portal. An important note, if you recharge your wallet through any other shown bank instead of virtual bank account, then you need to come back to the B2B portal and upload the wallet load transaction details here in the highlighted area. Shortly after uploading all the information on our portal, your wallet will be recharged for the specified amount. Let us see how this works. If you want to recharge the wallet from NEFT, RTGS, IMPS mode, then you will be able to recharge the wallet in two ways. First, choose a bank with net banking facility to transfer money into any of the shown accounts as a beneficiary. Second, in the absence of the net banking facility, you can send money from your own bank account by visiting the bank and transferring amount via NEFT, RTGS, IMPS mode to any of the shown bank account. Information or receipt about the transaction will be sent to you via SMS or a receipt will be shared with you by bank official. Later, you will need to fill this information on the screen shown on the B2B portal. Let's look at the example of NEFT mode transfer. Enter the amount to be loaded in the wallet. Select NEFT mode. Enter the transaction reference number. Select whichever bank of Spice Money you have loaded the money in. Enter branch name or account holder's name. Upload a copy of the receipt or form given by the bank. Click on Submit Deposit. Your wallet will be recharged with the specified amount shortly. Let us look at the third way to recharge by cash or check mode. You have to take cash or check to any of the nearest branches shown here and then upload in the cash or via check mode. You will need to upload the cash or check receipts given by the bank onto the B2B portal afterwards. Let's look at the example of cash mode. Enter the amount. Select cash mode. Enter transaction reference number. Note that in check mode, the transaction reference number will be the check number. Choose whichever bank you have loaded the money in. Enter branch name or account holder's name. Upload a cash receipt or a copy of the check. Click Submit Deposit. So, by choosing the cash or check mode, you have recharged your Spice Money wallet. In this way, you can recharge your Spice Money wallet manually via NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, cash or check mode. Let us learn how to recharge Spice Money wallet instantly via Spice Money B2B portal. There are three ways to recharge the wallet instantly. First one is to recharge the wallet with the help of QR code. Second one is to recharge the wallet with Spice Money generated VPA ID. And third one is to print and scan the QR code. Let's first look into recharging the wallet using QR code. After you log in, click on Account option. Click on the Instant Wallet Upload option. Enter the amount. A respective QR code will appear on the screen as soon as the Spice Money Adhikari adds the amount. Scan the QR code shown by UPI app available on your phone like Google Pay or Bheem app. For example, we have taken Bheem app. Click Scan and Pay. Scan the QR code. Enter UPI PIN. Check the details on the shown screen and click Send. Your wallet is recharged. Now let's see how to recharge Spice Money wallet via VPA ID. Note down the VPA ID from the highlighted area. Open UPI app available in your phone. For example, we have Bheem app. Click on Send. Enter the VPA ID that has been noted. Enter the amount. Click on Proceed. Enter UPI PIN. This is how your wallet is instantly recharged. Now let's see how to recharge Spice Money wallet with the help of shown option. Click on Print QR. Download the QR code shown on the screen and take a printout and paste it on the wall of the shop. Your wallet will be recharged by scanning the QR code. So in this way, Spice Money Adhikari can recharge his Spice Money wallet instantly or manually using Spice Money B2B portal. Thank you.